talk about a couple of things, and that is about our clearing out the clutter and trying to work through issues of where might be a resistance of actually getting rid of things. I am not about organizing. You probably can tell. Organizing for me is about shuffling more of the clutter that we have that we should probably get rid of because it's taking up space, right? And if we're not using it regularly, and if it's not functional clutter, right? Functioning items that work for you on a regular basis, that are daily types of tools that can benefit your day and make you just smile. So that's the problem I'm having with deep diving into the closet on trying to get rid of those extra shoes and some items that maybe a little more sentimental to me. Today is kind of a part 2 to decluttering the closet. I am feeling like I'm not getting to the point where I need to be by now. Really, we don't have to rush things, but for me, I like to get in, get it done, and get out. You know what I mean? I'm wondering if I just need to take it bit by bit and see what the issues are. And this is about troubleshooting your closet and figuring out what is essential to your capsule wardrobe, if you want to call it that, or just a minimalist wardrobe. Yeah. Because of the seasonal changes that are happening right now, it's kind of going back and forth. You know, one day it's 90 degrees, the next day it's 75 degrees. So, I just don't know how to really play that. But what I can say is that we just need to have the temperature ready type of outfits and keep it together in the closet so you can see it as the season is changing. And then when things start to level out, then with consistent temperature, then I can put away those seasonal items. Last video, I got rid of half of my closet. Now it still looks like a full closet. So the goal is to get rid of an additional half of the half. Well, okay, these are the things I'm still working through. It is a lot lighter here, I will tell you this. It may not look like it, but it is. It is really, truly a lot lighter. Now it's just about going through those things again. I like to call this a debriefing of your clothing and purging those items that you've been resisting with the just in case syndrome, right? So I'm guilty of the just in case syndrome because I'm still looking at items that I think that I fit well, or just feel guilty about giving away some things that are perfectly nice to have, but I still don't gravitate to wearing it. And this is the thing. If you don't feel like you are gravitating to these items, think about it. Hold on to it for a second. And I mean physically hold on to an item. If I'm not attracted to the item, then that means it's had its time and its season and it's time to go bye-bye, right? So I've been struggling with that a bit, but I'm still going to work through it. And this is what I'm doing. Again, I love these because it's just an easy thing to wear. Had it many, many years. It hangs in there, and I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, because it has some color, and it's like, I don't have enough color in my closet, so get colors of the rainbow and things that help lift the mood of what you feel like. If you have those colorful items, I think it does help, especially when you're in a gloomy mood, and we've all been there one time or another. Yes? So I'll keep it. I do love this, okay? I do. And it can be useful. You know, you tie this around the waist. Very cute. So it's a nice, pretty color. So you're getting the picture of what I'm doing. And I'm forcing myself with this camera because it helps me. And you guys giving me your input, it helps me to really let go of these things. And the things that I preach about in the first place is to set yourself free. Purge the items that don't make sense for you in this day and age. If you feel like you've given up something that you regret it later, maybe you needed it a month or two later, then just treat yourself and get something to replace it. You don't have to spend a lot of money, but you definitely can shop within your own closet without spending and find things that just been sitting there collecting dust. And realize that fashion is in one's mind. Your style is you, and your style never goes out of style, correct? I already know. I bought these pants when I was 20 pounds heavier. I bought like, I don't know, probably 10 pairs of larger sizes. And that's okay because I needed to do what I needed to do at the time that I was uncomfortable with the weight, but I needed to feel better in the clothes that I was wearing at the time. I know we usually have a couple of pairs that are hidden in the back, but I figured, you know, the stretchy pants would be the way to go if something occurred on the hormones and, you know, I ticked back up for some reason. So I'm going to let go of those larger pants. And yeah, I know we might feel a little insecure about it, but it's about burn the ships. Yes? Back in history, there was something I learned there from my coach. And back in the day when the explorers were coming to America from other countries, they would just say, we're burn the ships, because that means there's no going back, and that you make up your mind to move forward and to improve what you're trying to do with yourself, and don't look back. So that's about burn the ships. So the baggy pants thing, I went through my phase. I wasn't happy again with my weight, so I was wearing a lot of baggy pants, and I think that it might be time to let that go. Will I regret it later? Maybe. But you know what? I'm taking a shot, taking a risk, burning the ships, and yeah, I just want to keep moving forward. So I think I'm gonna let it go just because it's a size up, and somebody else could probably utilize it a lot better than I'm doing, because right now I'm collecting dust. I don't have really a lot of room to keep all of these, I figured I'm going to take half and give the rest away. So this is what I'm going to give away, and this is what I'm going to keep for now and keep working through that. The concept of the capsule wardrobe is a wonderful idea when you're ready. I'm not ready. So basically, this is psychological. It's mental. It is about not regretting anything that you set free. And the bottom line is you're going to feel 100% better when you release these things. It's going to give you more clarity, more peace, less disablement of decision making, right? That decision fatigue that we have throughout the day. And when we start our day off right, I think we can end our day off right. Now, I still have other things that I still need to declutter in that closet, and I'm going to say this is to be continued, but this is a purging of old things that are no longer of relevance to you, being essential, the priorities that are at the top of the list of your life. And this is a new chapter. And this is why I will say you can always begin again. Talk soon. Bye.